It's Steve and Maggie. Let's learn and play.
Hey, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Hey, it's my birthday. Great to see you here, boys and girls. Yay. Where's Maggie? Oh, don't tell me she forgot it's my birthday.
No.
Oh, wow! It's from Maggie. Look, it says, it's your birthday today. Follow your nose to come and play. Well, my nose is pointing this way, so let's follow my nose.
Yeah.
Follow your nose, see which way it goes. Whoa! Look at this present, boys and girls. It's huge. Oh, wow! Wow! Is this present really for me? Yeah, look, it says, for Steve. That's me! Whoa! What's inside? What is it? What is it? There's only one way to find out, and that's to have a look. So, shall I look? Shall I look? Yeah? Okay. Wow! I don't believe it! Oh, you won't believe it! It's unbelievable! Oh, let me show you, Come on, we can open it together. Yeah! Okay, count to 3 with me. Come on. 1, 2, 3! Oh, look! It's a helicopter! A toy helicopter! Come on, let's play! Yeah! Wow! What a great toy helicopter! Oh, but I wish it could fly. Okay, abracadabra! Oh, it's moving! Up, and away! Oh, yeah! Oh, wow! I'm flying! This is great! Hey, boys and girls, what is it? Yeah! It's a helicopter! Come on, sing with me! What is it? It's a helicopter. Oh, what is it? It's a helicopter. Hey, what is it? It's a helicopter. Come and have fun with Maggie and me. Oh, if only Maggie was here to fly with me. Oh, a message from Maggie. Look, it says your next present is yellow. It's down below. Let's look for a yellow present down below. Shout out if you can see it. The yellow present. Can you see the yellow present anywhere? I can't. Where is that yellow present? What? You saw the yellow present? Where? Oh, back there. Come on, let's go. Oh, I can see it. You're right, boys and girls. There is the yellow present. Let's go down. Yeah. Oh, another birthday present for me. Yay. Wow. The yellow present is even bigger! What's inside? Let's have a look! Yay! Oh, yeah! Oh, no! Oh, wow! That looks amazing! Come on, boys and girls, let's go for a ride! Yeah! Woohoo! Ready, steady, go! Oh, nothing can stop us in this. No. What is it, boys and girls? What is it? Yeah, it's a monster truck. Say it with me. Come on. It's a monster truck. Yay! Sing with me. What is it? It's a monster truck. Oh, what is it? It's the monster truck. Yeah, what is it? It's a monster truck. Come and have fun with Maggie and me. Oh, Maggie would love driving in this monster truck. Where is she? Oh, another text. I better stop. Oh, it's from Maggie. Look, it says the next present is red. It's above your head. Look out for a red present. Where is it? Can you see it?
Oh, Steve.
Really? Where? Where is it?
Silly.
No! There it is!
Yeah.
Come on, let's go and open the red present! Yay! Oh, hooray! We found the red present! Oh, I'm so excited to look inside. What is it? What is it? Oh.
What is it? What is it? Wow!
Oh, no way! Amazing! It's a sports car! Oh, wow! Come on, say with me, boys and girls. It's a sports car. It's a sports car. It's a sports car. It looks really fast. Come on, let's go for a drive. Oh, yeah! Here we go! This is the best birthday ever! Driving a fast red sports car? Oh, yeah! Come on, sing with me, boys and girls. Woohoo! What is it? It's a sports car. What is it? It's a sports car. What is it? It's a sports car. Come and have fun with Maggie and me. Oh! Oh, another message.
Yeah.
It's from Maggie. Look, it says the next present is green, but it's hard to be seen. Okay, let's keep going, but keep a lookout for the green present. Oh! Okay, can you see it? Can you see the green present? It's hard to be seen. What? You saw it where? Back there? Oh, okay. I can see it, yeah. Ah, there it is! The green present. I wonder what it is. Oh, look! It's the green present. We found it. It was hard to be seen because it's green. Hey, I wonder what's inside. Oh, it's moving. Oh, what is it? What is it? Oh, wow! It's a jetpack! Oh! It's a jetpack! It's a jetpack! It's a jetpack! Oh! This is amazing! I'm flying with a jetpack! Oh, yeah! Hey, sing with me! What is it? It's a jetpack. What is it? It's a jetpack. What is it? It's a jetpack. Come and have fun with Maggie and me. Oh, wow! Oh, hey, another text message? Oh, it's from Maggie. Look, it says, "Happy birthday, Steve. Let's eat cake. Join me here down by the lake." Oh, and there's the lake. Come on, let's go. Ho-ho! Whoa! Look out, Maggie! I'm coming down! Oh! Wow! Oh, that was amazing!
Yeah.
Oh, Maggie, thank you for an awesome birthday!
No problem. Oh, but here's your cake. Abracadabra.
Oh, yeah! Cake by the lake! Happy birthday to me!
Happy birthday, Steve!
Oh, yeah!